Let's embroider single feather stitch together. First, mark 2 parallel lines. You will be stitching from left to right or from top downwards. Make a stitch from left side to the right one and leave the loop open. Then push the needle inside the loop and tighten the loop. Add one more loop parallel to the first one and continue in this manner until the entire band is done. You can finish the stitch with a longer leg like I did on the left side, or make a short anchoring stitch. On the back side, a single feather stitch will create a line of diagonal stitches.